Hi everybody, this is JJ Long from JJArtworks and welcome to our YouTube channel where we help artists create profitable paint party businesses. And I really just quickly wanted to crank out a video for you guys talking about a new studio update that's going on with us. So if you're a regular subscriber here and you possibly watch our content week after week, I come out with studio updates every couple months or so whenever there's a new update with my company or with me personally as an artist and an entrepreneur. And today I wanted to share with you all some rebranding that we're doing at JJArtworks. So if you saw the banner at the top of our YouTube channel, it now says JJArtworks Paint Party as opposed to JJArtworks Studios. And I just really quickly wanted to address that new change and update for you so we're all kind of clear on what this community is all about here on our YouTube channel. So basically, it stems around me just being an artist and an entrepreneur, being confused with how I want to present myself to the world, if I'm being truly honest and vulnerable with everybody. But my main vision for JJArtworks Studios is to be like a well-diversified art and entertainment company, sort of like a Disney. You know, they have all these different branches off their company. They have the animation studios and then the live action and then cruise lines and theme parks and retail stores and a music group and all those things. Don't get me wrong, I don't want to do theme parks and cruise lines. I don't need to get that far into my dream, really. But I do have this dream of making JJArtworks, a really big company and having different branches off the company. So, paint parties, fine art, publishing, gaming, all these different branches. And that's really what I've always wanted JJArtworks Studios to be. But what I'm realizing with our YouTube channel is that a lot of you really are engaging on our paint and sip tutorial videos. And that's something I'm very passionate about too, because I've been doing paint parties for over 10 years, if you follow along with our YouTube channel. And it's something that I really think I can add a lot of value to people's lives. It's fun, but it's not easy running your own paint and sip business. So I think by niching down a bit more, I can stay more focused on the content I create for you. And I personally won't feel so scattered as to, oh, today I'm gonna do a painting video on something that I created just for myself, but it doesn't really add a ton of value to you guys. Or today I'm gonna play something musically on the keyboard or play some guitar and post that. I don't want to confuse you all as far as what type of content I come out with. So that's why I've decided that, the past few days, I want to kind of rebrand everything to just say JJArtworks Paint Party. So our YouTube channel used to be JJArtworks Studios, now it's JJArtworks Paint Party. I changed our Instagram user handle, so that says JJArtworks Paint Party as well. I'm in the process of doing that with Facebook, but it takes 60 days for them to get rid of the old name and have my JJArtworks Paint Party name available. So there's a little bit of a waiting game there. But just so you know, this channel is it's just going to be focused on paint and sip tutorial videos and everything to do with the paint and sip industry, because there's a lot of content that I'd like you guys to chew on. That there's a lot of different moving parts with the paint and sip industry, and I just feel that, again, I can add a lot of value to you guys that want to create your own companies. So thank you so much for tuning in. My apologies, this isn't a normal video that I would create with nice lighting and me looking all prim and proper. I don't even know what my shirt says. It's kind of it's like an 80s shirt. But anyways, I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Just wanted to give you guys, the memo here, and I will talk to you all in another video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.